Good morning. It is Sunday, May 19th, and we have a lot to talk about over on guncalendars.com. We try to archive as much firearms history as possible. So we have a couple of things to talk about today. It's the continuation, the last day of the USCCA, the United States Concealed Carry Association's 5th annual Concealed Carry Expo. It's been going on for the last 3 days. It's also the date of the Creator Summit. This is the 2nd annual summit in Ohio, put on by some YouTubers, people that create firearms content. They hold this summit in Ohio at a place called Thunder Valley to get people together and unfocus with Second Amendment media. Not real familiar with it, but I'm looking forward to some reviews. Thanks to Armament and Access for helping to put this on and letting us know about it for the calendar. Now, it's also the anniversary of the Firearms Owner Protection Act of 1986. One of the, I don't know what to call this, it's both good and bad. It's called the Firearms Owner Protection Act because it does just that. It does protect firearms owner in lots of different ways, but unfortunately it was tainted, it was ruined by the Hughes Amendment, which banned the manufacture, importation, and sale of all full auto firearms after its date of enactment, which was May 19th, 1986. So since then we haven't had access to transferable full auto firearms because of the Hughes Amendment to this act. But let's talk about some of the other things that it created. It ended the record keeping on ammunition sales. Up until then, if you went to an FFL and you purchased ammunition, you'd have to leave your name and address at the FFL. It eliminated that unnecessary infringement. It created the safe passage provision, which allowed us, when we're traveling with firearms, to travel through states with horrible infringements on firearms ownership. It also forbid the government, any part of government, or any agency from keeping records of firearms and their owners. And this might seem like, I don't know, on the surface, if you're not thinking about it, it might seem like a bad thing, but this is really an effort to keep government off of our necks. And then lastly, NICS was required to destroy their records after 24 hours. Whether or not they do that, I guess we'll never know, just like how many licks it takes to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop. But at least they're required to do so based on the Firearms Owner Protection Act of 1986. Lots to talk about if you're looking for content. If you do firearms related content, you're looking for something to talk about, the Firearms Owners Protection Act is certainly one that you could think of. So that's today, May 19th, in firearms history. If you know something that we're missing from the calendar, please let us know. Our goal is to have as complete a calendar as possible. Thanks for watching.